In today's manufacturing environment, efficiency and quality are key, especially for composites manufacturers seeking high-rate solutions. Meet Trilion Quality Systems, where cutting-edge optical technology meets real-time quality insight.
We build full-field optical measurement systems for studying the quality of materials and structures, from materials properties all the way through manufacturing to structural tests and structural health monitoring.
Trilion's mission is to improve how industries measure and monitor material behavior, from material properties to structural testing to structural health monitoring of parts.
Traditionally, people are using mechanical gauges measuring single points somewhere on the structure. We bring in the CAD model, so we're precisely located for all our measurements and fully integrated full field deformations, the 3D coordinates, displacements, and strains, as if we had 10,000 strain gauges across every field of view.
With full field 3D measurements and digital image correlation, Trilion systems enable high-rate production and improved quality control.
So this technology is so powerful that it optimizes for high-rate manufacturing to the extent where at General Motors, where their stamping operations, we save them $100 million a year. What we're looking at here is our optical strain system doing structural health monitoring on a wing. Wing can be any size, from a few inches to 100 meters. But in this case, it's the patterning of the wing took minutes for preparation for this test. We're measuring with hundreds of thousands of strain gauges, and we're getting real-time results on the screen behind us. You're seeing it being loaded and unloaded in real time. So it's giving you that FEA of testing concept of that full field response of not only the composite, but metals, ceramics, elastomers all working together as an integrated system.
For more of the latest composites industry news and innovations, visit CompositesWorld.com.